Hello there! This video explains how to test brake fluid with, you guessed it, a brake fluid tester. Why bother? Because it confirms whether your brake fluid is safe, in good condition and capable of stopping your car even in tough conditions. If it's not, you can then replace it before you press the brake pedal and find your car won't stop. That is the literal reality of bad brake fluid. Oh dear! Thank goodness you're here! Are you ready to work? Yeah? Good. Welcome to Car Spy TV. Right, let's take a moment to recap the basics so we can fully understand a brake fluid tester. When you press the brake pedal, a vast amount of energy passes through the brake fluid. This creates a lot of heat, but that shouldn't be a problem. Good brake fluid can cope. However, bad brake fluid can't. It therefore boils, turns into vapour, then you'll struggle to stop the car without ploughing into a brick wall. Now, when brake fluid's brand new, it has a very high boiling point. Let's say, for example, 230 degrees Celsius. However, over time, it absorbs water from the atmosphere and, as you know, water typically boils at only 100 degrees Celsius. So, water that contains brake fluid has a lower boiling point than when it's brand new. The more water it contains, the lower the boiling point. A tester like this funny little fella confirms what percentage of water your brake fluid contains and, therefore, how likely it is to boil and make it difficult to stop your car. So, let's have a closer look at how it works. First though, don't worry if your particular tester looks different to mine. Many of them work in broadly the same way. Don't they? Yeah. To get started, press the power button. Now press dot 3, dot 4 or dot 5.1 depending what type of brake fluid your vehicle requires. If you're not sure, look on or close to the cap on the brake fluid reservoir. This cap, for example, says dot 4. Next, remove the cap from the reservoir and, if fitted, remove the filter too. Now, dip this probe into the reservoir and make sure it's totally covered with brake fluid. Next, see what percentage of water the fluid contains via the screen. This sample contains about 2%. On my brake fluid tester, anything up to 1.5% is okay. 1.6 to 2.9% is more water than you really want, but particularly if you're towards the lower end of the scale, you might not feel an immediate need to replace your brake fluid. However, at 3%, the brake fluid tester says you should stop driving the car immediately and replace the fluid. The screen also goes red and it beeps. I'll show you. Here's another sample of brake fluid and it's also at 2%. Now let's add some water. And take a reading. There you go. See, the tester's going nuts. Okay, we have a few final points to consider. For starters, brake fluid is nasty stuff, so don't let it get on your car's paintwork. It can cause a lot of damage. Also, don't forget to clean off the tip of your probe so it's uncontaminated for next time. Go on, you'd better go and grab a shower. Don't use all the hot water. Consider this too. A brake fluid tester isn't expensive, so you haven't got to sell a close family member to afford one. Mine costs £25 and you can get something similar, albeit not quite as nice, for about £5. For that price, you're more likely to get one that closely resembles a big pen. And that's it. That's how to test brake fluid with a brake fluid tester. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content, ask any questions in the comment section, and do me a favour and click like on this video. Oh, I've also written a book that might help you out. It's called How to Buy the Right Used Car and it walks you through the entire process in simple, easy to follow steps. It's available at Amazon, and there's a link in the description of this video that takes you straight to it. Right, that's all for now. Come on, you've had a busy day. Get yourself off to bed.